2016 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, trip computer, fog lights, compass, equalizer, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, perimeter alarm, tinted glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.